Today I'm going to be installing a Curt manufacturing 7-pin connector, trailer connector to my 2001 Ford F150 pickup. And this is what you get inside here. You get the T connector that goes in line, and then this other end that connects to the back of the receptacle. You get a couple of fuses and a couple of relays, and so we'll go step by step how to put this on. The instructions suggest removing the negative post off of the battery, so we'll do that before we go any further. Okay, so we're going to crawl under the back end of the truck here, and what we're looking for is this right here. Is your spare tire, and what you're looking for is this little connector right here. We need to separate this connector right here, and then we're going to put the T connector, this guy right here, in the middle of it. So looks like you squeeze that down and pull. See how easy that is. That's trying to separate. I need both hands though. Anyway, you mash down right there where my thumb is. Just mash as hard as you can and then pull on it. I need both hands. Okay, so wherever you get it separated, I'll get the camera over right here. You're gonna have a female and a male end here, basically, and you just put the corresponding pieces. Of course, it's obvious that one there is going to go into that one there. So I'll connect this real quick. I need both hands. Alright, it's really good. They click into place so you know when they're locked. And now I need to find a place to put this ground. I think I'm going to put the hole right there. I got some self-tapping screws. That's probably softer metal than the beam, so we're going to go with that. Alright, we got our ground on. Now I'm just going to strap it to some other areas here. I'm not sure, it may actually fit through here. That side of that beam. Do some checking here. Okay, so I'm up to the point here. After I got the T connector in, I've got my wiring harness run down here. And it appears that it doesn't come with a bracket, so I kind of made one. It's not the best. I got 2 screws holding it this time. I just got a plate and cut some holes in it. And then I've already pre-drilled some holes into the existing plate that was holding the 4-pole connector right here. And so I'm just going to go ahead and finish attaching this with some self-tapping screws right there, and then we'll see what we got after that. Okay, I've got this connected, or connected to the truck, that is. Back here I'll fasten the into it and clicks. I hope. Must be a right-handed. On the driver's side of this pickup, this is to locate the fuse box. It's right next to the brake booster here. We open this up. Okay, I'm going to consult my owner's manual and find out which of these ports is for the trailer brake. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is connect the trailer tow battery charge fuse up, and according to my fuse panel, they say it's spot 302 on this, which would be there. But remember, this lid is flip-flop opposite, so that means it's gonna be over here instead of over there. So don't get that confused. This is where your relay goes for that. So okay, the trailer tow electric brake fuse is right here in spot 108. So that's going to be right there. It's already got one in it, so I don't have to worry about that one. The trailer tow backup relay goes in spot 203, which is this spot right here. Okay, got the trailer tow battery charge relay, and this truck already has that in place too. It's in spot 101. So looks like we're ready to go. Alright, we're going to connect the negative post back up, and we're ready to go start towing a trailer.